written responses at the Supreme Court, with the hearing of the presidential election petition by the Supreme Court judges set to begin Wednesday, August 31st. It is expected the Supreme Court will give an acute consideration of petitions and affidavits tabled before it. Here's Brian Amoy with that story.
The Supreme battle will kick off on Tuesday, 30th of August, as the court prepares itself to listen to the petition and give their ruling on 5th of September as stipulated in the Constitution. The battle, which will see Azimio and 8 other petitioners square it out in the corridors of justice as they seek what they term justice for a bungled election, will be presented before a 7-judge bench of the Supreme Court led by Chief Justice Martha Koome. With 30th of August being the Pretrial Conference, Chief Registrar of the Judiciary, Anna Madi, has...
Interlocutory applications are applications that happen before the main hearing to sort out issues that a particular party would have an interest in. For example, if I want to join it as an interested party, that decision has to be made before we go into the hearing proper. If I want the scrutiny to happen in a particular way, I have an opportunity to do that before the hearing starts, so that once all those issues are sorted out, we minimize on interference when the main hearing begins.
How many are file requests to be friends of the court?
I'm not sure about the number, but I know that in total the interlocutory applications are roughly 20. There are those that want different things, so roughly 20. Yes. Thank you very much.
The Chief Registrar of the Judiciary said that all 7 judges will be present for the hearing and determination of the petitions.
So these applications are being considered, and all the rulings will be delivered to the respective parties electronically. So we are going to have the hearings happen here at the Milimani Ceremonial Hall. All the 7 judges are expected to participate. Remember, in the last season, we only had 6 judges participating. This time round, we expect all of them to be present. We have some observers, judges from the Commonwealth countries, led by the retired Chief Justice of Tanzania, Honorable Mohamed Othman, among other judges who will be joining us. We will have the law clerks. The place has been set up for the law clerks, for all the courts.
This is unlike in 2017, where a 6-judge bench had undetermined the petition after Justice Ibrahim Mohammed opted out due to health challenges. The objectives of the Pretrial Conference include framing contested and uncontested issues in the petition, consider consolidation of petition in cases where more than one petition is filed, among others.
The law allows for consolidation. The law allows for what grounds can make a petition to be consolidated. If the petitions raised, because I don't want to go to the merits, if the petition merits consolidation, the 7 judges will make a decision. If it does not merit consolidation as established by law and authorities, it will not be allowed for consolidation. But I am, as an advocate, I cannot preempt what the judges are going to deal with, but I will say consolidation is one of the issues to be dealt with, and other issues. So the judges have the final decision on what they want to do.
The Supreme Court will hear and determine the interlocutory applications filed before the court.
Interlocutory applications are applications that happen before the main hearing to sort out issues that a particular party would have an interest in. For example, if I want to join it as an interested party, that decision has to be made before we go into the hearing proper. If I want the scrutiny to happen in a particular way, I have an opportunity to do that before the hearing starts, so that once all those issues are sorted out, we minimize on interference when the main hearing begins. Know that in total the interlocutory applications are roughly 20. There are those that want different things, so roughly 20.
9 presidential petitions were lodged at the Supreme Court on Monday, with 8 of them seeking to overturn President-elect William Ruto's victory. Brian Amoy, Look Up TV, Nairobi.